Okay, so if you're somebody dealing with a lot of pain or fatigue, then it can be really difficult for you to do side planks. They're very straining on the neck. They're difficult and painful on the forearm and elbow. So I'm gonna give you different modifications you can try depending on where your pain is. So a traditional plank, you're either gonna be on your elbow, which again, strains your elbow. It really, really hurts, but you're pulling your obliques up and in. It's really a beneficial exercise. So we wanna do something that works the same muscle. So what you can do is you can grab a weight if you have wrist issues, or if you don't have wrist issues, you can come up and support your body so that your shoulder and hand are in alignment. Rest one knee on the floor, bring one arm up, bring the other leg up, and then just do little lifts with that straight leg. You can keep your knee bent, if that's easier. Or if you don't have pain in your elbow, you can come down here, or straight leg. Very good, okay. The second modification is a lot easier on the body. I like to come down on my arm sometimes, but you can stay up here on your elbow if you don't have pain. And what you're gonna do is just bring your arm up over your head, your legs straight out, and then you're gonna bend your knee and bend your arm and pull them together, really squeezing the obliques here. So it's out and then pull. I do this one a lot in a lot of my routines just because it's so effective, but it just does not kill your body like traditional planks. If you want to make it harder, you're going to turn your knee up and out. Makes it a little bit harder. Very good. Okay, so the third modification, whoops, let me just check this here. Okay, the third modification is you're going to do Russian twists. Okay, so this is great for somebody who doesn't have a lot of pain in your low back because it can put some strain on it. So you're just going to lean back, support yourself with your elbows and your wrists here, and you're gonna sit at the top of your booty just beneath your low back. This is kind of the position you wanna stay in when you're doing Russian twists. So if you can hold your abs in, stay right here, bring your elbows and your palms into your chest, and you're just gonna do little twists. So this isn't cardio, so go really, really slow. Squeeze your obliques the best that you can here. Make every little movement count, and you are gonna feel the burn in those obliques in no time. I already do. Woo. Okay, the last one you're gonna do standing. So especially if you're someone who has a hard time doing floor work, you can do oblique work so easy in the standing position. And if you need support, you can grab a chair to support you. So you're gonna stand, put all your weight on one leg, bring one arm up over your body, and you're just gonna bring your knee and your elbow to meet each other, just like we did on the floor. But make sure you don't go too fast here. Make sure that you put all the emphasis right here on the squeeze. About 1 second hold, 1. You got it. And you're gonna whittle that waist in no time.